tap soft on my window pane, a whispered song of endless pain. The ghost of you lingers in the air, a haunting presence I can't repair. When the night cried, I heard your name. Through the silence, it called in vain. A love once bright now fades to gray. The echoes of you won't drift away. The saxophone weeps a mournful tune under the watchful eye of the moon. Its melody wraps me in despair, a hollow ache I cannot bear. Oh, how the stars seem to shine so true when my whole world revolved round you. Now they're dim, a shadowed sky, a bitter truth as time drifts by. When the night cried, I heard your name. Through the silence, it called in vain. A love once bright now fades to gray. The echoes of you won't drift away. The double bass hums a sorrowful plea, a quiet hymn of what used to be. The piano sighs with every chord, a requiem for love.